Hi, my name is Joel Santana, and I'm an illustrator and designer specializing in concept art with an emphasis on characters. The beauty of painting characters is putting them in situations that really tell a story. This particular art has been the focus throughout my entire career. Doing illustration work for advertising, for Disney, and then also concept art for gaming studios. My joy comes from taking flat lines on a paper and really transforming them into a character that has truly come to life. I want you to keep in mind that the way that we handle color and light is usually what's going to determine what that character is going to look like on the big screen, a video game, or any application for that matter. I really like to work with this 3D effect. Once the color, light, and texture are implemented, that character starts to feel very dimensional and believable. In this Domestika course, you're going to learn digital painting for characters. You're going to provide your own character sketch, and I'm going to show you how to bring it to life using color and light through Photoshop digital painting techniques. By the end of the course, you're going to have a final character illustration, and you'll be able to breathe life into that and really make it feel lifelike. To get started, we'll look at workspace, at the brushes, and some other tools to make sure that we're ready to start the digital painting process. Next, we're going to do something called sphere studies. And what we do with that is that we really start to look at color, shadow, textures, and blur to really understand how that works on an actual object. Next, we're going to look at two ways to import our sketch, and then we'll do a mood board that we're going to use as a guide through our digital painting process. We're going to mask our character, and I'm going to share with you a very important step I call flatting. We'll figure out how to define our key light, which is an important step before we start the digital painting process. Moving on, we'll do two passes. The first pass, we'll kind of go over values and color, and then we're going to go ahead and talk about texture, refining our lights and shadows to really start to give that character some dimension. We're going to finalize the image by introducing blur, some glow, and really starting to push those highlights and shadows. Last but not least, we'll take a look at some final color effects, and then we'll also talk about a couple options for exporting your image, whether it be digital or print. You're going to need some creative drawing skills and then also a copy of Photoshop. It's important for you to know that if you don't have sketches to provide, I will have some for you to use. You'll need a computer with Photoshop installed as well as an artist drawing tablet. This course is going to be for any digital artist that wants to improve their digital painting techniques, but also for anyone who wants to take their imagined characters and bring them to reality.